people. Yes, I'm taking you guys around. We're going to come on, get your big head off. Asda. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm doing a vlogging right now because there is a challenge I am really giving myself to go on a fruit detox for 7 days just for my weight loss, because really in 2019 one of the goals is just to lose this tummy. That's my problem. I don't really want to be a small person. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's so windy here. So I just want to take you guys along. Let's do the shopping, and then when we get home we talk about it. Remember guys, if you have not subscribed, hit that button, subscribe. I love you all, so let's go in. Yeah, I love these chopped tomatoes with herbs a lot. I love them when they are seasoned with garlic as well. And very cheap, 55p. And why is this one 28p? I don't get it. Oh, the ones with herbs is 39p. The ones with garlic is 55p. Why is garlic more expensive? Made in Italy as well, in tomato juice, grown in Italy. And I know Italy. Don't mind my accent, okay? All right, so I'm gonna get this and the herbs, and then this is with chili powder, and it's 55 as well. I see. I'm gonna try all of them, guys. Let me know if you have tried any of this. This is my first time of seeing them, and I'm giving it a try. This is really not easy. How do you see me? How do I carry the camera and be doing the same thing at the same time? It's not really easy. So don't worry, when I get home I'm going to share everything and show you. Then we'll talk more in details, and then I'll let you know when I'm going to start doing this challenge. And I'm looking forward to do it. And I hope you guys are looking forward to watch me do the 7 days detox challenge. So stay tuned, guys. Let me finish the shopping quickly. When we get home, I'll see you guys. Right guys, I am back from shopping like I told you guys. Yes, I just wanted to show you everything that I got so that you will see them, and at the same time to tell you how this is going to work as well. Even though when I will be doing it, I will be recording it when I make the juice and which one I will be taking. I'm not eating all these at once. On the recipe I found on Pinterest, it has which one I should be eating each day, and then I'm going to follow it as it is. It has day 1, the fruit you'll be blending together and then be taking day 2, day 3. That's how it goes. So I'm still going to be showing you guys when I start tomorrow. I'm starting tomorrow, and tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Oh, Thursday. I've lost count. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'll be back again by next week Thursday to show you the results. I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything, and each day I'm preparing the juice. I'll be preparing it where I cannot do it in the morning before going to work. I could do it at night and put it in the fridge and carry it for the next day. The thing is, I don't know how many I'm going to be taking this and how long I'm going to be taking this, but I will be making juice of at least 2 liters. That's what I'm thinking. 2 liters. It has to be 2 liters because it says you should be taking 1 glass or 2 glass in every 3 to 4 hours. And what else is there? That maybe in between, if you feel very hungry, take water. And if you want to do snack, it has to be vegetable. Probably it should be something you could do at night. Maybe you could have a vegetable and more protein food, more of vegetables as well, not for you to, just for you to maintain the challenge or the process. I don't know what to call it. So and that's why when I was doing shopping, I'm going to show you everything. I have to get this as well, so that maybe for dinner, anytime I feel like I'm losing it, I'm not strong enough, I could have some salad with bacon or maybe chicken or for dinner, or maybe with prawn. This is what I am planning. So guys, that is it. Let's just leave it. I'm going to be recording each day how it goes, and before I start, I'm going to take a measurement of my weight. I'm going to check my weight. I'm going to take a measurement of my waist to see how it is, and I'm going to show you guys my tummy, which is the area I'm really focusing on, and then show you before and after before I start this. So here is all I got. So let me not go because I'm still let me stop talking because I'm still going to be carrying you on the way I prepare the juice and how it's going and everything. But I will be back. Everything will be back next week Thursday as well, just like this one will be going on Thursday as well. All right, so far so good. It will be nice. I show you guys what I got. It's just clear here. I'll show you. This is just a salad, just in case I feel too hungry, I can't carry it to bed, I can't sleep at night. I have to take this with anything, bacon, like I said. So far this is it. I got some celery, carrot, cucumber, asparagus. I don't know, this word is really hard for me. some tomatoes, because this says on that book it says a cup, but I don't know how I'm going to get a cup, but we'll work it out when we are doing it. This is mint leaf, is here, you can see it, mint leaf. I was asked to get a sea salt as well. Then sweet potato, I will be needing just one. I was just confused when I saw these guys, so I would love to hear from you guys. I don't know if it's really possible for us to really eat this fresh. I was confused about this, but I'm scared. Let me know if it's possible on the comment as well, please. If not, my intention is to just cook it first before using it to do my juice. That's what I'm thinking. So let me know, guys, please. And then I got the cabbage and oranges. Then I got the beetroots cooked. This is the pickled beetroot ready to eat already. Then I got some lemon, I got some spinach, watermelon, and pineapple. I think that is it for now. I showed you the cayenne pepper. Yeah, that is it so far. That's what will be needed. So guys, don't worry, just taking you guys along on the shopping and just alert you guys that your girl is going on a mission. Don't worry, the milk is for the children. I won't be using the milk as well. Even this grape, I love grape as well, so I could be using it to be snacking as well. That's my, since I started doing the weight loss thing, started doing weight loss journey, this is what, when I want to snack, this is what I easily go for. Or maybe the cucumber. That's what I always like because I love anything crunchy. So I just bought that by the side just in case if I want to snack, I can snack with those. Yeah. So like I said, every time I will show you how I prepare the juice, and I'll be measuring my body to see each day what is going down, and I'll be standing on my scale to see what weight I have lost, to see the difference, and I will be sharing my experience, how I am feeling. Was I feeling strong enough? Was I having any experience or challenges or anything? That I will be coming to tell you guys each day at the end of the day. Okay, so I know you are in for this game, and I know one of you would like to try this, so get your friends to subscribe if you've not subscribed, so that they will see this result together. Because I'm doing this, Christmas is coming, to be honest, and this is the season we eat. Okay, we eat some chicken, we drink. If we go to your friend's house and they cook, and you're saying you're watching when they look at you to be stupid, so let me detox myself and get myself ready for the Christmas. Then next year, January again, I detox myself with fasting and praying. That's how I do. So that will be it. I hope you guys really gonna love it, and I pray I get results as well. That's the most important thing. And I pray I don't fail, because every day juice for 7 days. That's what I'm going to be having, guys. All right. Wow. Huh? Don't worry. I know what you're thinking. I'm thinking the same way. I'm challenging myself, and I challenge you to try it as well. What I'm going to do, just to help you in case if you want to do it, I'm going to leave the list of the fruits that I bought on the description, so that if you want to try it to be easy for you, you just go and get them. And then when I start, I'm going to leave out each day as well, on this description box, each day the one that I use. I'll be recording, and I'll be recording it as well to share with you guys when I start tomorrow. But let me know if there's any question, because I'm a bit confused now. Yeah, if you want to know any more of it, let me know on the comment section, then I can answer you. So far, the challenge begins. Are you in? Give me a thumbs up if you're in for this challenge. And don't forget, subscribe if you've not subscribed. Don't mind me. My face is going do. Okay, I love you all for your time. I'll see you again on Saturday. But for this challenge, I'll see you on Thursday. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're back again next week's Thursday and Saturday to see the result. Thanks. Bye.